is it Orion Township? Not Orion. It's
Orion Township. They call it Orion Township.
Orion.
Yeah.
All right. Not Orion like the constellation.
I don't, it says Orion Township. I know there's Lake Orion.
There's Lake Orion. I knew that. There's probably
I think there might be Orion Township. I don't know.
All right.
Maybe it's outraged.
Outraged in Orion Township.
Let's see what's going on here.
Okay. This is one that kind of hits home for me because it has to do with contractors and non-performance. When we did a final walkthrough on our new construction home in preparation for closing, we found that the basement is leaking buckets. We refused to close until the leaks are repaired, but the builder said that if we don't show up to the closing, that we would forfeit our earnest money deposit, all $25,000 of it. He refuses to fix anything on the home, and their question is, can he do this and also keep our money? From Outraged in Orion Township.
Well, my standard answer is going to be, I have to see the documents, right? But I'll just give a general answer today on this. Generally speaking, the answer, if you have well-documented, information, photos, witnesses as to leaks in a basement and it's a newly constructed home, yeah, I wouldn't be pressured on closing that one so fast. And that builders are tough because they deal with issues every day where you're dealing with the consumer. They have, it's highly an emotional process. So builders have thick skins, but the truth is attorneys have thicker skins if they're good. And I would not be bullied by a builder like that. And no, you're not going to lose your $25,000. Generally speaking, that builder has obligations to deliver a product. It's a product, that house. And from what I'm hearing, is it leaking buckets? We'll see. Bucket, is a little bit an exaggeration, but even if there's a little leak, it should be repaired and it should be addressed by the builder in a professional manner. And if they're saying you're going to close or you're going to lose your money, well, yeah, you'll probably have issues if you don't have the right attorney picking up the phone and calling or demanding that it gets taken care of properly. Yeah, you're not going to lose 25 grand. I would want to see the PA, but that builder has to take care of that. And I'm sure there's a builder's warranty, a home warranty as well. You can also make arrangements of closing and escrow. There's so many different things that person can do. But do they even have to come to the closing? There might be something in the document that requires any objection to the closing to be in writing within a certain period of time. So don't do anything verbally. Make sure everything's in writing, and don't do it through your realtor because most realtors aren't very effective when it comes to these issues. Realtors want they're commission driven. They just want to get things done. Send the letter directly to the builder. And I think in this situation for $25,000, you should do it through an attorney. Okay, but you'd be fine. They'll be fine.
Yep. Nope. I agree. That one was pretty simple. Not simple for Outraged, but simple for us.
Well, because it's they're building a home. It's very, very emotionally charged transaction. Anytime somebody buys a home, it doesn't have to be new construction. And look at you. What? Whoa! You just pardon me, sorry. You just bought a home, right?
Yep.
It's and you're an investor, and I'm sure you still have some trepidation. People, this is the biggest investment that people make, and when they do it without an attorney, honestly, it's very unfortunate because that's when you need them the most. Is you do a transaction and you put 25 grand down in this situation. You need to pick up the phone. You need really to know what the terms are of the agreement, but if you're not sure, pick up the phone, call a good attorney, a real estate attorney.
Yes. No, exactly. Don't call family law.
Yeah, or personal injury.
Right, exactly. Get someone specialized for sure. All right. Well, Outraged in Orion Township, there is help for you.
Yeah, oh, definitely. seems so far that we're able to help almost everybody that's asked a
Yes.
question tonight.
Good for us
Right.
and for them.
Always hope. There's always hope.
It is